From My Stories, open a draft story to edit its blueprint. The Story Blueprint button opens a modal where you can view and edit your story outline, characters, and plot. The Blueprint modal shows 3 tabs: Story Overview, Characters, and Plot Outline. Each can be viewed as rendered markdown. Switch to the Characters tab to see character descriptions generated by the AI. Blueprint editing lets you refine your story direction after initial generation. The Staleness system ensures you always know which sections reflect your latest creative vision.